Today I am going to show you how to create QR code in Canva. So let's start. First of all, go on create a design. Select the page you want, like I am selecting Instagram post page. After that, go on apps section. Search here QR code. Enter and select the first one. And you have to enter your website URL, and like I am making a URL of my YouTube channel, so you can customize it by changing background color or foreground color. So I am customizing it, like you click on generate code. Now you can see that my code is generated. Now you can check it by scanning, and wait a second, let me change it. Let me change it foreground color to white, background color to black. Update code. Now you can see that our QR code color is white and background is black. So I just want this. I like this one, so I am choosing this one. So let me check this on my mobile. So here is my QR code. So now you can see that I have scanned and it's giving me my YouTube channel link. Now if you click on open, so here you can watch my YouTube channel, and you should have to subscribe it, and you also have to open all notifications, so you will get notified when my new video will be uploaded. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to learn more about Canva. Wow.